till all this mud goes away. Lord knows I'd rather stay home and sleep and play, but that means I'll get next to nothing come payday. My rent's already 3 months behind, another day unpaid, and the banker won't be so kind. Begging for mercy, but I'm being declined. I'm developing a rather desperate state of mind. Rain, rain, go away, take your time coming back another day. Rain, 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 won't you go away? I need Mr. Sunshine to come out and play. Rain, rain, why do you choose to provoke? It's all your fault that my finances are a joke. I blame it all on you for me being so broke. I'll be doing my job, but everything outside is soaked. Yeah, maybe if I had chosen a more lucrative vocation, I would find myself in a much better monetary situation. Working out in the elements causes nothing but frustration. Here I am waiting and waiting on an end to this precipitation. Rain, rain, go away, take your time coming back another day. Rain, 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 won't you go away? It's time Mr. Sunshine comes out to play. My baby needs a new pair of shoes, but she's just gonna have to wait. I can't help but feel these poor man blues. If only the weather would cooperate. Oh. I need a nice fat paycheck, and I need one fast, but all I see is gray skies and rain in the 7-day forecast. Wish I knew how long this downpour was gonna last. I think I might know how I can get a quick pocket full of cash. Oh, I've been watching my neighbor come and go. He's got a shiny blue Mercedes and it's just for show. I know a friend of a friend who can pay me some dough, and if I don't take it tonight,